Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today a brand new 2021 LEGO Ideas set was officially revealed by LEGO. That's going to be the Medieval Blacksmith Shop. It's going to be set number 21325 with 2,164 pieces. This set retails for $149.99 USD or $150. It's an 18 plus set with batteries included. I assume that means there's a light up feature for the actual fire of the blacksmith forge, which I think is a really cool thing to include. This set is going to be available for purchase starting on the 1st of February from LEGO Shop at Home, and I'm assuming LEGO stores as well. There are 4 minifigures included, 2 knights, a blacksmith, and some kind of archer or huntress. I don't exactly know what her role is. There's also a horse and a dog included. This set is really cool looking. I know we saw some leaks earlier, but I did not realize how cool it was going to be. Looking just here, we have a really beautiful looking tree in the corner over here. I love the way the roof tiles are designed. That carriage is really cool too. And then we have some really cool swords of Gryffindor there without the jewels and everything. I'm very excited. Here's a picture of what the back of the box looks like, and it's a modular set, it looks like. There's a base layer, and then you can pull off the middle section, the roof, and then the actual panels of the roof come off. So it's a fully playable interior design. And then on the back here, we also got some pictures of the inside. Looks like the huntress lady lives inside the second floor of the blacksmith shop. There's like a dinner table. She might be like the daughter or the husband. I don't exactly know. Taking a closer look at the build, it looks so cool. There's a pumpkin patch on the side here too, and I love the architecture. I already know I talked about the roof tiles and everything, but the wood paneling looks so cool too. And that carriage is also really neat. I think it's one of the larger style carriages we've seen, so you can fit 2 characters next to each other with 2 studs in between. And that cream colored horse looks really great too. I also love like the stone designs on the wall and the chimney here. It's just a really beautiful build, something that's really cool. I also didn't notice that before, but the blacksmith's accessory right there, that kind of the pump to fuel the fire is really cool. And then here's a lifestyle image, pretty much the same thing. Looks really good again. I'm very excited to see this set in hand. I wonder how many, I don't think those are going to be stickers. I'm really hoping that's like a print, because that'd be a really nice print. And then here we have a closer look at the minifigures. And I find it so humorous that we're getting like Ninjago armor used for classic knights, and that's so cool. And also the monkey kid piece there to make this a spear with an axe on it. I also like that female knight's hair. I like we're getting a female knight as well. And her hairpiece, I believe, is the zombie businessman from series 14 of the CMFs. I also love this really cool red-headed, red-bearded blacksmith. He's got some really nice prints. It looks like the Larry the Barista legs. The huntress is cool. I like her little squint there, so she's focusing for her arrow. The dog's really nice. And then I love all the prints and everything for these knights. That armor, was it like a phoenix design? Really cool. And the cream-colored horse is awesome. It looks like it's the Lord of the Rings style mold, so it can go up on its hind legs. Here's a closer picture of the characters. I'm very excited for these knights. They're some of the best looking ones we've ever gotten. And I know LEGO posted a little promotional trailer for this on their Instagram. And honestly, looking at all the knights, they're definitely my favorite ones that LEGO has ever put out. Taking a look at this, it's a picture, a slightly blurry picture of the carriage. We got some more shields on the side there, and a really nice curved design with I think there's a treasure chest back there, a cool little lantern, and the horse hooks in nicely. It's a really high quality harness. The characters in general just look really great. I'm very excited for this set. Here's a slightly blurry lifestyle image, and then honestly guys, this is the inside of the blacksmith shop, and whoa, look at that. They got a bunch more of these armor pieces in silver. I'm very excited for those. Some more shields and stuff. There's just a ton of stuff inside here in anvil. I'm really excited for this set. I know I was expecting something awesome, and this blew me away because it's just so cool. The character designs are great. I would have loved maybe 1 or 2 minifigures. I think just 4 minifigures for $150 is kind of awkward. Maybe like a little kid apprentice to the blacksmith as opposed to just the huntress. Maybe some more animals, maybe a 3rd knight, a robber, or something to fill out the story would have been really cool. The the apple tree on the side here is a huge boon. I love the way that looks. I think it really enhances the set. The design of the building is beautiful. It's going to fit in quite well with the medieval village sets, the windmill, all the old castle stuff. It's really nice, especially if we do get a castle creator set next year, this summer. This will fit well with that because you can have a blacksmith, the castle, everything. For $150, from what I can tell, with 2,164 pieces, I think that's pretty fair. Looks really good. I can't wait to get this in hand. I hope they'll be able to pick it up and give you guys a review for it. That's pretty much all I got today, though, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to comment down below and tell me what you thought of this set. Do you like it? Are you going to buy it? Favorite part, least favorite part, and what minifigure is your favorite? Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you all in the very next video, and I want you all to have a fantastic and safe rest of your day.